Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 biology MCQs part 3rd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पाकिस्तान मेडिकल एंड डेंटल काउंसिल ने आज एक लेटर किया है जिसमें पब्लिक नोटिस जिसमें ये बताया है कि MDCAT टेस्ट जो है 26 अक्टूबर 2025 इतवार के दिन होगा। सो बेस्ट विशेस एंड बेस्ट लक। PCR polymerase chain reaction can rapidly amplify DNA sequences of dash size. Option A, up to 10 kilobases. B, up to 45 kilobases. Option C, up to 100 kilobases. And option D, up to 1000 kilobases. So the correct option is A, up to 10 kilobases. Explanation is standard PCR is efficient for amplifying DNA fragments up to 10 kb. Longer sequences can be amplified with modifications, but 10 kb is the standard answer for the size limit of routine PCR. Inherited metabolic disorders of the urea cycle can cause all of the following except option A, vomiting, B, ataxia, lack of muscle control, option C, renal failure, and option D, mental retardation. So the correct option is C, renal failure. Inborn error, also known as inherited metabolic disorders of the urea cycle, lead to hyperammonia, which can causes vomiting, neurological disorders symptoms like ataxia and intellectual retardation. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from a technologist. Which of the following characteristics below applies to the amino acid glycine? Option A, optically inactive. B, hydrophilic, basic and charged. C, hydrophobic. And option D, hydrophilic, acidic and charged. So the correct option is A, optically inactive. Glycine is achiral and optically inactive. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A ketogenic amino acid among the following is option A, leucine, B, serine, option C, threonine, and option D, proline. So the correct option is A, leucine. Leucine is a purely ketogenic amino acid. Serine and threonine are glucogenic and proline also glucogenic. A cancer cell is characterized by option A, uncontrolled cell division, option B, invasion of neighboring cell, and option C, spread to distant sites, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is D, all of these. Explanation is cancer cell exhibit uncontrolled proliferation, mean division, invasion into nearby tissues, and metastasis, mean that spread to distinct sites. In many proteins, hydrogen bonding produces a regular coiled arrangement which is called option A, beta helix, B, alpha helix, C, both A and B, and option D, spiral. So the correct option is B, alpha helix. Alpha helix is a most common secondary structure So dear students, you are attending past paper of KMU-MDCAT MCQs paper. So the end of this tutorial, write your score in comment box. Thank you. Increased serum alanine during fasting condition is due to option A, breakdown of muscle proteins, B, decreased utilization of non-essential amino acids, C, leakage of amino acid to plasma, and option D, impaired renal function. So the correct option is option A, breakdown of muscle proteins. Explanation is muscle proteolysis releases alanine for gluconeogenesis. In animals is in negative nitrogen balance when option A, intake exceeds output, B, new tissues is being synthesized, option C, output exceeds intake, and option D, intake is equal to output. So the correct option is C, output exceeds intake. Negative nitrogen balance basically occurs when nitrogen excretion output is greater than nitrogen intake. It's indicating a net loss of protein from the body, for example, during starvation, trauma, or illness. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The amino acid containing a hydroxy group is option A, glycine, B, isoleucine, C, arginine, and option D, threonine. So the correct option is D, threonine. Threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. The isoelectric pH of an amino acid is dash pH. Option A, positive charge, B, negative charge, C, no net charge, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is C, no net charge. So explanation is, at the isoelectric pH, the positive and negative charge is balanced to zero net charge. The pH of albumin is option A, 3.6, B, 4.7, C, 5.0, and option D, 6.1. So the correct option is B, 4.7. Serum albumin has isoelectric point around 4.7 pH. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following gives a positive test for ninhydrin? Option A, reducing sugar, B, triglycerides, C, alpha amino acids, and option D, esters of fats. So the correct option is C, alpha amino acids. Ninhydrin reacts with free alpha amino acid groups. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Aspartate aminotransferase uses the following for transamination. Option A, glutamic acid and pyruvic acid, B, glutamic acid and oxaloacetic acid, C, aspartic acid and pyruvic acid, and option D, aspartic acid and ketoadipic acid. So the correct option is B, glutamic acid and oxaloacetic acid. Thank you for watching my videos.